Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Fine. Very good. Yeah. Have you had your breakfast already? Sudah sarapan semua? Alhamdulillah. Ya. Berarti sudah punya energi. So you have enough power to learn English today. That's why I will be inviting you to be proactive, share your ideas, and join the conversation. Yeah. Right. So today we're still talking about the previous topic. What was the previous topic? Do you still remember what was the topic last week? What was our topic last week? Do you still remember?
Form filling.
Form filling, right. We learned how to fill out form. Yeah. How to fill out form or form filling. Pengisian formulir atau bagaimana cara mengisi form. Yeah. How to fill out form. Okay, so we haven't finished. So today we're still learning about how to fill form or talking about form filling. Before we start, I'd like to share the screen first. And we start by reciting Al-Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All right. Right, so this is form filling part 2. All right, so the learning objectives or the purpose of our topic today are, at the end of the class, students are expected to identify types of forms, and then the second to analyze forms filling vocabularies. There are some vocabularies used in filling out form. All right, and then number 3 or the third purpose, to fill the form in various types. Okay, as you know that there are many kinds of forms. Yeah, there are various types. There are many types of forms. Right. These are the learning objectives. All right, so now we're going to, before we go further, I'd like to invite students. Now we practice how to read English text. Right. So I got here a short text. Yeah, short text about someone, and I'd like now to invite volunteers who is willing to read. Who will read?
Hi, sir.
Who is that? Dia Mustika. Is that Dia? Okay, Dia Mustika. Come on. Yeah, go ahead, Dia. Dia, are you still there? Dia, are you still there? Or who want to? Okay, Dia, I think. Are you still there, Dia? Can you hear me? You can unmute your microphone. Or besides Dia, who is willing to read?
Sorry.
We're still waiting for Dia. But other student, if you are willing to, if you like to read, please. Who like to read? Just read. Come on.
I'm sure.
Rifaldi. Okay, please, Rifaldi.
My name is Mariana Jalal. I am from Australia. I have a daughter. She is called Zulaika. In Australia, children have their father's full name. Her name is Zulaika Jalal. She was born on 20 June 2008. We live at 56 High Street for BS33. We speak English at home. Our doctor is called Dr. Glover. She works at the Ibrahim Medical Center. Zuleika goes to Al-Fatih Primary School. We walk to school every day. Zuleika is school dinner.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Rifaldi. Anyone else? Maybe one more?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Salsabil. Yes, Salsabil, please.
My name is Mariana Jalal. I am from Australia. I have a daughter. She is called Zuleika. In Australia, children have their father's surname. Her name is Zuleika Jalal. She was Zuleika Jalal. She was born on 20 June 2008. We live at 56 High Street, Perth, BS33 7BR. We speak English at home. Our doctor is called Dr. Glover. She works at Ibrahim Family Medical Center. Zuleika goes to Al-Fatih Primary School. We walk to school every day. Zuleika has school dinners.
All right. Thank you, Salsabil. All right. So, students, if you remember what we learned last week, yeah. So there are some words here which is used in filling out forms. Yeah. Example like my name is Mariana Jalal. So what is the first name of the person? My name is Mariana Jalal. Can you tell me which is the first name?
Mariana.
Mariana. And which is the surname?
Jalal.
Jalal is the
Name is
surname and
Mariana.
Mariana is the first name. Very good. I am from Australia. So what is my nationality?
Indian.
Australian. That's right. I am from Indonesia. What is my nationality?
Indonesia.
Indonesian.
Indonesian.
All right. Very good. I am from Holland. What is my nationality?
Hollandian.
What is my nationality?
Hollandian.
Hollandian. Dutch or Hollandian? I think it's Dutch. Yeah, Dutch. Yeah, Dutch. Yeah. Okay, so this are what we call nationality. Yeah, kebangsaan. Yeah. And I have a daughter. So daughter. What is the gender of daughter?
Girl.
Girl. Very good. Yeah, she is called Zuleika. In Australia, children have their father's surname. What is the father's surname?
Jalal.
Jalal. Okay,
Jalal.
very good. Yeah, her name
Jalal.
is Zuleika Jalal. She was born on 20 June 2008. And what is Zuleika's age? Can you count it quick? What is Zuleika's age?
12 tahun.
What is it? 12 tahun in English?
13 years old.
13 years old. Okay. We live at 56 High Street, Perth. What do you call 56 High Street, Perth, BS33 7BR? What do you call that? Address. Very good. Yeah, we speak English at home. Our doctor is called Dr. Glover. She works at the Ibrahim Family Medical Center. Zuleika goes to Al-Fatih Primary School. So what does it mean? Zuleika goes to Al-Fatih Primary School. Bahasa Indonesianya bagaimana kalian menerjemahkan?
Zuleika sekolah di
Yeah, that is very good. Yeah, very good. Zuleika sekolah di Al-Fatih. So when you want to say, di mana kamu sekolah? Saya sekolah di SMA CT Foundation. Not I school at SMA CT Foundation. No, right? That is incorrect English. Pak, coba terjemahkan. Can you translate saya bersekolah di SMA CTF?
I go to CTF.
I go to CTF. Good. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Saya sekolah di SMA 3.
MPI.
Sadia. Okay, Sadia. I can hear Sadia before. Can you tell me, Sadia? Saya sekolah di SMA 3.
I
I
go to 3 school.
I go to SMA 3. Yeah, I go to SMA 3. Yeah, I go to SMA 3. Okay. Next, another question is Fatima sekolah di SMA Prime 1. Siapa yang bisa menerjemahkannya? Coba. Fatima sekolah di Fatima sekolah di Fatima sekolah di Safiatul Amalia. Coba.
Go to Safiatul.
Fatima.
5
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's very good. Yeah. Fatima goes to Safiatul Amalia School. Okay, very good. Yeah. So next, now I'm gonna test you again the vocabulary. Have a look here. Right, so you gotta match this. Yeah, can you match this word on forms and everyday words? Okay,
Gender,
on the left of it from your screen, it's words on forms, words that we use on filling out forms, and on the right side is everyday words. Now we got to match this.
gender to male.
The example is date of birth, day child was born. Okay, so now gender.
Male or female.
Male or
Okay. Fitri, okay.
Female.
Male or female?
Female.
Okay.
Female.
Surname.
First name.
Is it first name? Second name. Yeah.
First name.
Medical practice.
medical. Where doctor is.
Your children.
Ah, that's right. Where your child's doctor is.
Where your
Travel
child
arrangement.
doctor.
How your child gets to school.
Okay, how your child gets to school. Correct. And then the last meal arrangements.
What
What
your
your
child does at
What
school.
your
Yeah, what your child does at
at
school dinner
time.
time. Okay, now have a look here. Let's say it with me. Kindly say these words together with me. Okay.
Okay.
This one, words on forms. I'd like to invite you to repeat it after me. Okay. Gender.
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 Yeah. Don't say gender, but we have to say gender. Gender.
Gender.
Okay. This one. How do you say the second word? The second word. What? How do you say the second word?
Surname.
Surname. Yes. Surname. Not surname. Surname. No. Surname.
Surname.
Surname. Right. Surname.
Surname.
Okay. And then the third word. Phoneme. Phoneme or first name. Yeah. Forename or first name. Yeah. This one we call date of birth.
Of birth.
Ya. Terus apa dong perbedaan antara bird burung dengan bird? Ya, kalau bird lahir ada the, ada the, bird. Kalau bird burung bird, ya bird, not bird. Ya, date of birth. Okay, right. Next is medical practice.
Medical
Medical practice.
Ya, medical practice. Ya. Next is travel arrangements.
Travel
Arrangement.
Arrangement,
Arrangement.
not arrangement or arrangement.
Arrangement.
Okay.
Travel
Next is
arrangement.
the last word is
Travel arrangement.
meal arrangement.
Meal arrangement.
Okay, good.
Meal arrangement.
So those are the words, yeah, from the previous lesson. Okay, now we're gonna step to the next. I think this will be the same. Male is boy, female. This is the synonym, yeah. Male, what is the synonym of male?
Boy.
Boy.
Female,
Girl.
girl. Date of birth,
When was born?
child is born. Full name,
First name.
first name. Medical practice.
Where your doctor?
Okay. Pack lunch. Yeah, if you go to school and then you bring your lunch, it means
Yeah.
pack lunch. Bontot ya. In bahasa Indonesia we call
bontot.
bontot. Ya, lu
Ya,
bawa bontot ya ke sekolah. So pack lunch ya. Okay. School dinner, lunch child buys at school. What if you buy at school? It's school dinners. Yeah. If you buy your lunch at school, it's called school school dinners. But if you bring your own food from home,
It's called
pack lunch. Yeah. And then the next is travel arrangement, how child get to school. How, your travel arrangements mean how you go to school, by bus, by becak, by angkot, or on foot. Yeah. Okay. So these are the vocabularies. Okay, guys. Now we are going to move further. Yeah. If you still remember, there are many types of forms. Yeah, we mentioned before. Correct? Yes. Last week we talked about the types of form. Correct? Betul nggak?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, types of form. Do you still remember? Apa aja itu? Apa aja tipe-tipe atau bentuk-bentuk dari form yang kemarin itu?
Electronic form.
Paper form.
What is that? Cancellation form, hotel
Paper
form,
Oh, yeah.
purchase form. Okay, so you can have a look. Go back again later on. Okay, on your notebook. Yeah, what did you write before? Okay, now here, I'd like to repeat once again. So there are many types of form. Some are such below. Yeah, there are many. Yeah, not only this, but this can be categorized types of form. Okay, ini bisa lah dijadikan contoh sebagai tipe-tipe daripada bentuk-bentuk daripada form. So then the first is, how do you say this one?
Purchase form.
Purchase form. Yeah. Do you know what purchase is? Purchase. You don't say purchase or purchase. No purchase, but purchase.
Purchase.
Yeah, purchase. Can you say purchase?
Purchase.
Okay, Ariel, can you say purchase? Okay. Except Ariel, who want to say again?
I'm sorry.
Ripaldi,
Purchase.
okay. Ripaldi?
Purchase.
Purchase. Okay. Siapa lagi? Next. Ripal Mugas. Okay.
Purchase.
Purchase. What does it mean purchase? Ada yang tahu artinya purchase? Pembelian. Ya, pembelian.
Formula
Buy.
pembelian.
Ya, buy. Purchase itu sama dengan buy. Bukan buy say goodbye. But buy.
Yeah.
Yeah, purchase. Buy. So when you purchase something and when you buy something, ya biasanya ini ke toko-toko ya, big company. Ya, if you go to groceries, you don't need purchase form. Nggak usah biasanya nggak pakai. Kalau beli permen, you don't need form to buy that, right? Or you go to the toko kelontong or like small grocery shop, you don't need form. Ya, langsung aja bayar. So this is, for example, like a big sale ya, big purchase. Pembelian yang jumlah besar ya. Big amount, big quantity ya. Purchase form. What is purchase form? Apa sih yang dimaksud purchase form?
Uh,
Purchase order, or sometimes it can be called PO. Ya,
PO.
purchase order. Ya, purchase order.
CO.
PO, ya, PO ya, purchase order. Ya, it can be, it's called also purchase order or purchase form. Purchase order is commercial documents which is made by a buyer to a seller and used as a request to purchase product or services. So not only product but also service, jasa. Ya.
Jasa.
Kalau misalkan if you buy or if you purchase something, ya biasanya itu dibuat oleh siapa? Who make this form? Seller or buyer?
Taylor.
Is made by a buyer to a seller. Buyer yang buat kemudian diserahkan kepada seller yang menjual. Use as a request to purchase, digunakan untuk permohonan untuk membeli barang. For example, what do you want to buy? I want to buy this and this. Okay. Or service, or jasa. So this is what we call purchase form. Yeah. Have you experienced in making purchase form? Ada yang sudah punya pengalaman membuat atau melakukan purchase form? Ada. Nah, maybe not, because sometimes if you need purchase form, it's a formal purchase. Formal purchase. Usually it's conducted by companies, or institution. Biasanya yang menggunakan purchase form ini institusi. Mereka butuh formnya untuk sebagai bukti transaksi. Okay, so this is purchase form. Next is order form. It is very similar, order form and purchase form. Ya, agak mirip ya. Sama, ini dalam penjualan barang. A commercial document which is filled by customers and used to order goods from a company. Goods ini bukan arti baik, tapi artinya what does it mean goods? When good you add s, what does it mean?
Barang.
Barang-barang. Ya. Barang-barang. That's good. Ya. When you say goods, you add s, doesn't mean good, very good. Ya, it means barang-barang. Ya. Okay, so and then the next is reservation form. What does it mean, reservation?
Reservasi.
What does it mean, reservasi?
Pendaftaran.
Pendaftaran?
Registrasi.
Reservation. Apa artinya reservation?
Registrasi.
Booking. What does it mean booking?
Pemesan.
Apa booking? Pemesanan. Very good. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah, pemesanan. Yeah. When do you need this form? Yeah, which is filled in when booking or reserving something. Jadi booking sama reserving. So the verb of reservation, kata kerja daripada reservasi ini apa? What is the verb of reservation? Reservation is noun. So what is the verb? Kata kerjanya apa?
Booking.
Reserve. Reserve. Synonymnya? The synonym of reservation is?
Booking.
Booking. Yeah, booking, reservation. Both same. Yeah, similar. It can be hotel. So the reservation can be in the hotel, for hotel room, entertainment ticket, transportation. Okay. Transportasi apa yang membutuhkan reservation? What kind of transportation need reservation?
Pesawat.
Okay. What do you call pesawat?
Airplane.
Airplane. Nah, penerbangan. What do you say in English penerbangan?
Exactly.
Flight. Ya, penerbangan. So you need reservation when you want to fly somewhere. by airplane, so you need reservation. Yeah, otherwise the price is more expensive. You go on the spot. Ya, kalau langsung datang biasanya lebih mahal. Jadi reservasi itu lebih murah. Kalau booking lebih murah. Entertainment ticket, for example, like entertainment ticket. Tiket untuk hiburan-hiburan apa biasanya yang menggunakan reservasi? Concert, ya, music concert, music concert. Yeah, you need reservation, right? Okay, next is withdrawal. Say together, please. Withdrawal.
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 Okay, I'd like to invite Farah. Please say withdrawal.
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 Okay. Firman, Reinhard, Firmansyah. Juga Firmansyah, withdrawal.
Withdrawal.
Okay. Ada yang tahu? Does anybody know what does it mean withdrawal?
Penarikan.
Penarikan. Ya, where do you go? Usually, where do you find this kind of slip?
In ATM.
Where do you find this kind of form or slip? Withdrawal slip?
In bank.
In the bank.
Bank.
Ah,
bank.
correct. Yeah. Can you tell me what is it for? What is it withdrawal slip? Is it what for?
Withdraw.
Ya, penarikan apa ya? Tarik tambang.
Penarikan barang.
Yeah, correct.
Money.
If you have saving
Wow.
in the bank, if you save your money in the bank, and someday you need that money to buy something, ya, then you need to withdraw. Kata kerjanya apa ini? What is the verb of withdrawal?
Withdraw.
Withdraw.
Draw.
Ya. Hilangkan
Withdraw.
AL-nya dihilangkan menjadi withdraw.
Yeah.
You drop
Withdraw.
AL and it becomes withdraw. Withdraw is verb. So, for example, like I want to withdraw my money.
Money.
Yeah, I want to withdraw. I withdraw my money from the bank. Yeah, okay. So this is the piece of paper which is filled. Who is filling the withdrawal? Slip. Siapa yang mengisi?
Nasabah.
Client or banker or the officer in the bank?
Client.
Client. Client itu
Client.
nasabah ya. Customer or the officers there?
Teller.
Siapa yang ngisi ini? Withdrawal slip ini?
Client.
Nasabah atau the client or the bank?
Client.
Yeah, what do you call nasabah in English?
Client.
Client. Okay, ya, diisi oleh client. The next is
Yeah.
deposit slip. You know what deposit slip is? Ada yang tahu nggak? What is it? What is the difference between withdrawal and deposit slip? Bedanya apa itu?
Menyetorkan uang. Kalau withdrawal itu penarikan barang gitu, Sir. Kalau
Deposit
misalnya
uang yang ada di dalam bank.
penyetoran uang gitu, Sir. Yang kita yang
Okay. Yeah, very good. Yeah, withdrawal it mean you take your money from the bank. Yeah. Yeah, you take the money from the bank, your money from the bank or from your bank account. And deposit it mean you put your money in the bank. You save your money in the bank, yeah, or in your account. Yeah, bagus. Okay, that's right. Bagus. Very good. And the last is medical form. So do you have to fill medical form? Yeah. Yeah, normally we fill the form, yeah. Form which is filled by a patient to a doctor. Pasien in English, what do you call pasien in English? What is pasien in English? Bahasa Inggrisnya pasien apa?
Patient.
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 Ya, sama
Patient.
dengan Oke, sama dengan artinya apa? Arti yang lain daripada patient.
Sabar.
Sabar. Ya. Very similar. Yeah,
Sabar.
one word has two meanings. No problem. Ya. Alright, so these are types of form. Inilah bentuk-bentuk daripada forms. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the form. Ya, the real form. Bentuknya form. Ah, this is the form. Okay, can you see what kind of form is this?
Purchase order.
Purchase order. Nah, inilah contoh purchase ordernya ya. Oke, purchase order. So, jadi apa aja? should you write in the purchase order? Apa saja yang
Name.
harus diisi?
Name.
Vendor
Name, whose
name.
name? Name, whose name?
Vendor.
Vendor.
Vendor name.
Vendor
Okay,
name.
vendor. What is vendor? Vendor artinya apa itu vendor?
Pengirim.
Vendor artinya penjual.
Jualan.
Seller ya.
Hmm.
Vendor is
Seller.
the
Salam.
seller. Okay.
Seller.
Okay, what
Object.
else? Seller's name.
Name.
Apalagi yang harus diisi?
Company name.
Company name.
Ya, toko apa? Toko Maju Makmur, for example, or Maju Makmur shop. Okay. And then
Address.
address, yeah, with the zip code and phone number. And then also ship to. What does it mean ship to?
Pembeli.
Kirim, ya dikirimkan kemana nih? Ya,
Ke
ship to. Mengirim,
Bayar.
vendor atas nama ini mengirim ke alamat ini. Ya, ship artinya shipping, artinya pengirim.
Pengiriman.
Pengiriman. What is
Pengiriman.
another word, another meaning of ship?
Send.
Apa arti selain artinya pengiriman, mengirim, ship artinya
Kapal.
juga
Kapal.
kapal
Laut.
laut.
Kapal
Yes,
laut.
that's right.
Kapal laut.
Correct. Yeah. So these are the example of purchase order. Di sini ada company's name, ya. Ada company's name, ada object or service purchase. What are the object? Nah, di sini kalian tulis detailnya apa objek yang kalian beli atau jasa yang kalian beli. Object or service purchase. Ya, objek atau jasa yang dibeli.
Ya.
Client delivery. Can you find the client delivery address here?
Itu di situ ada address.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, below ship to. Yeah, under ship to. Yeah, ship to where? Okay, that is the client's delivery. Right. So there is the detail here. What are the item or the goods here? Apa aja barang-barangnya di sini? Details, the quantity, how many, unit price, harga per unit, and then the total price here. And then here is. And if you have some notes here, for example, what you should write here? Apa kira-kira ditulis ini? Additional notes.
Barangnya sudah sampai.
Ya, mungkin barangnya harus dikirim sebelum ini. Ya,
Sebelum
atau
hari
jangan
ini.
dikirim. Do not send on weekend. Ya, because weekend I will not be staying in my house. Okay, so this is additional notes. Yeah, right. So this is an example of purchase order. You got it? Bisa dipahami?
Bisa.
Bisa, sir.
Okay, right. So next is here is the example ya. Sama, ini yang sudah diisi. Look at this one, the item name or the detail. Okay, this is the example. Next, okay. Next is withdrawal slip. Do you still remember withdrawal slip? Apa itu
Penarikan.
withdrawal slip?
Penarikan.
Ya, slip penarikan. Ya, where do you find that? Where do you find that kind of slip?
Bank.
In
Bank.
the bank. Yeah.
Bank.
So here is the example. Here is the example of withdrawal. Okay. Have you experienced in writing or filling out this form?
Lihat.
Pernah nggak nyoba ini? Pernah nggak ngisi nih?
Dan dia belum.
Pernah ya? Ada yang belum pernah?
I'm sure.
Insya Allah nanti pernah ya. Nanti ya you can try. Ya, you can go to the bank and then try to fill it out. Yeah. So this is what you have to fill. First, the name of the bank. Okay. And then what is it here? What you have to write? Don't forget. The
DOB.
date. The date. Yeah. And then account number. What is account number?
Nomor rekening.
Nomor rekening.
Nomor
Nomor
rekening. That's right. Yeah. And name of account holder. Apa ini bahasa
Pemilik.
Indonesia nih?
Pemilik akun.
Pemilik rekening atau pemegang rekening.
Akun rekening.
Ya, pemegang rekening. Ya, nama di rekening. Ya, nama pemegang rekening atau nama ya pemegang rekening.
Intinya yang punya rekening.
Pemilik rekening. Ya. And then here is account type. Ada tipe tabungan rekeningnya itu apa tipenya? What are your type account?
Bank.
Savings. What does it mean savings?
Panan.
Menyimpan.
Tabungan.
Tabungan.
Tabungan. Checking account.
Mencek akun.
Pengecekan ya. Loan nih loannya what does it mean loan?
Loan.
Ngiring.
Pinjaman.
Aman.
Ya, loaning itu pinjaman ya, pinjaman. So the amount, how much you want to save? How much you want to withdraw?
Penarikan.
Jumlah
Yeah,
penarikan.
how much? Then you write it's written in the here and then in words. Yeah, in words. In the letter and in words. 500,000 rupiah. Seller signatures and then whose signatures is here?
Tanda tangan. Depositor.
Ya, your
Depositor,
signature.
signature.
Tanda tangan
Tanda tangan
client.
deposit.
Client.
Okay, right. So here are the point. Yeah, the date of withdrawal, the client's name, the client's account number, the client's signature, and the amount of withdrawal. How much you want to withdraw? 500,000 rupiah and then 500,000 rupiah. And then also you have to write in words and also in the amount or letters. Okay, so withdrawal slip. Okay, so right. So for most of them are very similar. Yeah. Hanya detailnya or the information needed is a bit different. Yeah. For example, like withdrawal slip, of course you don't need the items or the purchase object purchase. Tentunya kalian kalau mau menarik tidak harus. So can you see the difference here between purchase order and withdrawal order? Very different, yeah. Yeah. Account number in withdrawal you need account number, but in purchase order you don't need account number. Ya, nggak usah nulis buku apa namanya nomor rekening di purchase order ya. Meskipun ada bayar-bayarnya di situ. Oke. Okay, now we're gonna practice. Let's fill out this form. Okay, for the exercises, I want to invite you to fill out this form. Okay, please write in your notebook. I'm gonna give you 1 minute to do this. And then at the end, I'd like to invite everyone to share. Okay, are you ready now?
Not yet.
Yeah. Okay, please prepare or pick one paper and then get ready with your pencil or your pen, and then try to answer or to fill out this form. Yeah, there are some blanks there, and then you have to fill it out. Okay, with your own information ya, with your own detail, dengan informasi diri kalian sendiri ya.
Okay, sir.
And then here there is a note here. If you don't live in the UK, then please leave the postcode fill blank. So this form is special for those people who live in UK. So you are not living in UK, you live in Indonesia, then you have to fill that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 30 seconds.
Oh, boy.
20 seconds.
Sudah, sir.
10 seconds. And it's done. Okay, right. Okay, now I'd like to invite everyone, please come and share what you got. Yeah, who will be the first? First volunteer. Siapa yang duluan nih?
Saya, sir.
Okay, Salsabil. Yes, please. Salsabil, please read yours.
Nomor
Personal details. First name, Salsabil. Middle name, Sofa. Surname, Ardri. Date of birth, 26 July 2006.
Okay.
Gender, female. Home postcode, none.
You
Mail
don't have
address,
the home postcode? Do you know your home postcode?
no. I said none.
Okay. But sometimes it's necessary ya.
Alright.
Kadang itu butuh ya, kadang itu diperlukan. Kalau misalkan tidak ada postcode-nya, biasanya nggak tersubmit. Ya, but you can create. Yeah, you don't need to write the real one. You can create false postcode, no problem. Yeah, if you don't want to share your real address. Okay, so and then continue. Yes.
2607@gmail.com.
Okay.
Confirm email address sardri2607.
Okay. Right. Thank you. Yeah.
I'm
Email
done.
address. Confirm email address. Ini juga to write your email address twice to confirm whether your email address correct or not. Okay. One more or two. Who's next?
I'm sure.
Yes.
Rivaldi.
Yes, please. Rivaldi, yes, please.
His name Rivaldi. Middle name Hidayat. Name Tanjung. Date of birth May 2006. Gender
Okay.
male. Home postcode 22523. Email
Okay.
address Rivaldi Tanjung 2019@gmail.com.
Okay.
Confirm email address Rivaldi 2019@gmail.com.
Okay. One more. Yeah, okay. Well, I need one more student. Very good, Rivaldi. Thank you. Okay. Who's next?
Saya, Sir. Saya, Sir.
Farah. Okay, Farah. Farah, please.
First name Farah, middle name Dwi Adela, surname Nasution. Date of birth 26 May 2006. Gender female. Home postcode 21154. Email address nasutionforadwiadela@gmail.com. Confirm email address nasutionforadwiadela@gmail.com.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Farah. Well, students, I hope you understand, and I think everybody understood, right? Okay, so this is the end of our session today. And for the next, we will continue to the next topic. All right. Okay, so do you have any question? Do you have any question? No? Okay, if you don't have any question,
No, sir.
okay, very good. Thank you very much. For the more exercises, you can visit the Schoology. There will be more exercises there. Okay. I think this is all for today. Thank you for joining the class today and have a nice day. Thank you. We close by reciting Alhamdulillah.
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 Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.